Tangier, a city veiled in mystique, where the Atlantic Ocean breathes its salty secrets. Here, amidst the ancient ramparts and sun-drenched squares, silence isn't the absence of sound, but a symphony all its own. It's a melody woven from the murmur of the sea, the rustle of palm trees, and the echo of footsteps that have walked these streets for centuries. Take a long breath and let Tangier serenade you with the music of its calmness. As you wander deeper, the silence becomes a bridge to the past. It whispers of bygone eras. Imagine the hushed conversations that transpired within the Kasbah's grand walls, the clatter of swords during battles long forgotten, and the murmur of prayers echoing from the minarets piercing the blue-shaded sky. The silence allows history to bloom in your imagination, painting a vivid picture of Tangier's rich tapestry. The symphony of this beautiful city is never truly complete. It's a work in progress, forever evolving with each footstep that falls on its ancient stones. The silence beckons you to add your own verse to its melody. Perhaps it's the click of your camera capturing a fleeting moment, the rustle of a notebook as you jot down your thoughts, or simply the quiet awe that fills you as you stand witness to this enchanting city. The canvas of quietude, a canvas that begs to be observed, not merely seen. The absence of noise allows the vibrant tapestry of colors to come alive. The fiery orange walls of the Kasbah stand in stark contrast to the cerulean expanse of the sky. The intricate geometric patterns adorning the riads pop against the backdrop of hushed alleyways. Here, silence is the artist's brush, highlighting the beauty and complexity of Tangier's visual feast. The lullaby of the sea. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting an orange glow across the churning waves, a different kind of quietness takes hold. It's the rhythmic hush of the sea, a constant lullaby that soothes the soul. Inhale the salty air, a unique blend of the ocean's whisper and the promise of exotic adventures which are old as time itself. As the day surrenders to the velvet cloak of night, find yourself on a rooftop terrace. The sky ignites in a fiery spectacle of color, crimson, gold, and violet, bleeding into an inky canvas studded with diamonds. The call to prayer, a haunting melody, rises from the minarets, echoing across the city. In this symphony of silence and sound, the world seems to hold its breath, awestruck by the beauty of the moment. Here, the noise of silence reaches a crescendo, a powerful reminder that magic is indeed simple and surrounds us. The beauty of Tangier's peacefulness lies not just in what it reveals, but also in the space it creates for introspection. In the absence of disturbance, the mind is free to wander. Let the quietude be your guide, leading you down hidden alleyways and onto bustling squares. Let it be a space for self-discovery, a chance to reconnect with the flow of your own breath and the whispers of your inner voice. Venture into the hushed haven of a Tangier library. Sunlight streams through stained glass windows, painting the worn pages of ancient tomes in a kaleidoscope of colors. The air is thick with the scent of aged paper and leather, a testament to the wisdom whispered across generations. Let your fingers trace the delicate calligraphy, feeling the weight of history in your touch. Imagine the scholars who once pored over these very pages, their murmurs echoing in the stillness. Here, silence is a sanctuary for knowledge, a place where the whispers of the past continue to inspire and enlighten. Let Tangier's quietude linger within you, a melody long after the last note fades. Carry it with you and within you, a reminder of the whispers of history, the vibrant canvas of the city, and the symphony of your own soul. Das Auto, light shaper.